today guys, we are having a 5 to 6 inches of snow. Look. Diba? Ayan. Ganyan siya kalalim. And super pino. Super pino ng texture ng snow. Ayan. Kakaiba to sa snow last December guys. And hindi ka pwede magtagal dito guys kasi ano, you can get a frostbite. Super lamig. Yeah. Hindi mo may enjoy tong snow na to. See? Pero si Liam enjoy na enjoy, di ba Liam? Liam! Say hi! Hi guys! Pero hindi tayo pwede magtagal guys. I mean, hindi tayo pwede magtagal sa labas Liam. So, this is very cold. And yun nga, you can get a frostbite. Oh, yung look. Look babe, your yes. Diba? It's deep. It's a really deep according to my husband. Yeah. That's my husband. Hopefully we can go back now tomorrow sa work guys kasi ano. So hopefully guys we can go back tomorrow na. So nag-drive lang kami saglit. Gusto lang i-check ni husband kung okay yung road para bukas kasi babalik na rin ako sa work. Back to work na rin kami. Pero sabi sa balita expected another ano pa daw 6 inches of snow hanggang Wednesday patong snow na to guys. So ayun, so we don't know yet. Nung ano pa kasi ako ano ba yun, nung ang tawag doon yung ano pa ako kasi since Wednesday pa kami walang pasok yeah, kasi Wednesday super duper slick nung ano, hindi pa nag-snow pero nung last Wednesday super duper slick ng daan, very dangerous. So ang dami mga ano na-close na mga establishment and yun, close, walang pasok, ganun kasi delikado ang daan. And then right now nag-snow, nag-start siya kahapon Sunday ng madaling araw, and then once again we're having 5 to 6 inch of snow today, and then madadagdagan pa siya guys. So ayan, diba, super lamig. Ay. But hindi pa namin alam, it may change, depende sa weather, diba, kung kami makakabalik na bukas sa trabaho. Ayan ang snow guys. Ginagawa mo. Ay grabe, sabayan pa ng hangin guys. Ayan. Grabe, super lamig. So papasok na kami sa loob guys dahil super lamig, bawal magtagal.
Your child is shivering so like his mouth is shaking. You said look at him.
Oh yeah, he's shivering now. Yeah, change your pants baby. Ayan, so balik. Go back to the house.
It's hard to play out in the snow. It's so cold.
Yeah. Very cold. Oh, okay. O diba, sabit lang. Liam is shivering already. Nangangatog na agad. Ibang klaseng ano to, lamig, ibang klaseng snow this year. So, ayun, bakit ba ako nakamas pa? Nakamas pa sa loob ng bahay. So, ayun guys, pumasok na agad kami kasi bawal nga mag ano. Delikado pag magstay ka. Hindi mo ma-enjoy talaga yung snow sa labas kasi kakaiba siya. Once again, you can get a frostbite fast. According to my husband. So, yeah, super lamig. Super lamig. Nangangatog agad si Liam. Ilang seconds pa lang, di ba? So, kaya we decided to get back in the house. So, yun lang guys. Wala lang. Share ko lang sa inyo ang aming kaganapan here in our state. Ayan. So, yun lang. Share ko lang sa inyo guys. So, hopefully, tomorrow, maging okay na yung road condition and makabalik na ako sa work. But, ayun nga, depende guys. Depende pa din. Kasi hindi natin alam, di ba? We cannot predict the weather. But, ayun nga sa balita is hanggang Wednesday pa. And mag-snow daw ulit. Ay. So, madadagdagan ulit yung snow na yan. So, ayun guys. So, di ba, bakit naka-mask pa din ako, Dabu? Ayan. So, I hope you guys enjoy. And thank you so much guys for watching and for supporting. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye guys!